Well, hello again. Today I'm going to do a very delicious midweek meal, I suppose you could call it. It's butternut squash, chicken and oregano tray bake, using of course a butternut squash and chicken and oregano. Okay, so here I've assembled our ingredients for our delicious chicken tray bake. We've got obviously the chicken, we've got one onion, we've got butternut squash, a red pepper, that'll give it a bit of colour. We've got salt, pepper, oregano. These little things in here are cumin seeds, we need some of those, and we'll need some olive oil. So let's get started. Now I can take this mixing bowl, pour in some olive oil, about a couple of tablespoonfuls, that'll do. About half a teaspoon of salt, quite a bit of cracked black pepper. We all like pepper. About a tablespoonful of cumin seeds, and the same of oregano. Oregano? I'm not sure. Anyway, in that case, we can mix this together. Then add our chicken pieces. I've got some chicken breast and some thighs. Put all of these in. Stir this together a bit. Get it all coated. That's it. Then I can put that to one side and that can marinate while I get on with the rest. Now we can cut the butternut squash into about 1-inch pieces, and obviously we're going to miss out the seeds. I'll see you when it's done. There we go, that's enough. Then our onion, again into quite large pieces. Magic. Now the pepper. Now we can put all of this into a mixing bowl. And that piece. Give all this a mix together. Get the oil onto everything. Now add everything to this bowl and give it a good mix and make sure everything's covered in the oil and the herbs and the cumin seeds and everything. Here I'll have the tray that I'm going to use. And I'm going to cover it with this aluminium foil. So let's prepare the tray. Firstly in with the aluminium foil. We'll use a couple of teaspoons, I think. That should save me a bit of washing up. Then we can go in with all our goodies. Now into the oven, gas mark 6 for about 45 minutes. Make sure the chicken is cooked right through and that your vegetables are all nice and tender. So there we go, the finished product. Doesn't that look good? We'll give it a little taste. We'll try with the squash. Excuse me, talking with my mouth full. The flavours are so nice. But I'll finish this later. Well, thanks again for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Excuse me. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. I know I say that every time, but I'm trying to build up my subscriber now whenever possible. So anyway, I'll see you again next time. Please try this meal for yourself. It's so easy, cheap and economical. For a midweek meal, it would be great. Any comments down below please, and I'll see you next time. Bye.